things shall be added unto you.
All you have is just by grace, and everything you seek, it's not your right, it's by grace. It's by grace, it's by grace. So give God praise, for it's only by His grace. It's by grace, just grace. God, you're right, it's by grace, no matter what we have, it is by the grace of the Lord. In this world, we live by the grace of the Most High.
In this world, we live by the grace of the Lord.
In this world,
We live by the grace of the Most High.
no matter what we have, it is by the grace of the Lord. In this world,
Sure,
we live by the grace of
Check the time now, 28 after 3.
In this world, we live by the grace of
Her name is Benny's Affair.
In this world, we live by the
And she called this one, It's by Grace. That's right. Welcoming you to your own show, Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM. For today, Tuesday, the 2nd of February 2021. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And as you already know, it's Tuesday, so definitely, yeah, confessions, baby, bro. You better know who drew your CC, who come on. You know what I'm saying? Muni Abema Jerry Justice na motime kai. Ewie Papa Bill Swa African wa Jamestown Jeko. Rasta man. Rasta Dino. Oh man. You gram. Ya kwa koprim se bebo enwume no sia. Na ya sorry so na fe. Ya de kasebo papa. Enso ato aso baby a wo bia. Ya da was so de ato Adom 106.3 FM. Yeah. Na enche bia videos of our time ya de bebrel. Na ene videos ben na ye yidi a chewo. Medical kan. Samanfo nya enema omoye. Now, my phone some record because they say let me tell you something. Yeah? Let us all be careful. I mean, extra careful. Because they say, baby, we are seeing the wrong. Now, when you go as you, now when you go as before you do video of the day and the video of the day me show videos of our time no mama mouse asem we na infantry home hwe say the we are do no gadgets how do ankrofo wo you know enema kan see technology nti ebetimi take place no massa you have no idea one hwe here Udi I also had the say the but who had the vechna let me tell you a short story. Those days, omo munim temapa no. Oh. So Ofie Community 3 flats no now kono yembe yes say port expansion here abahui. And as I say right after the flats no Udi atie beach road no so no. Un say abe construction bi o ma say say some warehouse bi no wo ho no ne ade. Oh. First na ho no na ye best room sa na wo kwa before I could do real crossing ho na che say wo kwa no na wonampo na no ko. And one day I say we make already is puda. One day now if you come to 2 and I may join the beach road. Now just what me. Enti me driver me pa last flats no na ho in rim. And I me pack one chon na me so me Johnson. Now because I Johnson did me pack here now me see na ma start be me zip now I was wearing a jeans. Ma start be zip no. Enti me do kan na china just when I me be yi me be ma Johnson apena. BBS me mama ni so hwa so kakra. Me hwa the last flat no top floor pa no rooftop pa no. Akwa bi gina ho na menim say won so gina hu epono so ne ship na gina ho twen na akọ port inside ni na hu enti menim say akwa no o video ensuo no so seden o a okura ni phone na me say ai dabi Kokuja Johnson. Because when you be man piano Johnson pa kwai phone ye kwan ozumi pe bibia dem when him no wade na that's why they be chine dada krum e ho na me san be chine me san kwatra me kam and I'm so the mama come do be safe. Oh, this time one share ya because and then video na e ba be ya show no. One of the videos two. One of them a branch and tetina this thing no one would have seen this. Anko begu no animu asem nipa kakra bi na all part national pen be mu but say obeko obi fie wudnim ba bi a hidden camera bi wo enti ade bi wa ya say wo ye radio bi anyina nti nko na ade but you go see no then you've been captured. Enti say yeah extra careful especially when baby a no we are not 100% sure say how am we kra there bibi anyway because you might not see now these days hidden cameras p you can see a flower be near see one corner you might think say it's just a flower there decorative baby maybe there's a camera hidden somewhere near there. We all need to be very careful. Now join me on Facebook and Chebiano videos of our time and video e wo ho no e be yi dia show now you repa ye be hwe na ye de dia kan na to so na medical catch you say ene Tuesday and definitely confessions and so ebeba so now ansana and videos of our time me dia show no fast that kesema floral disposable handkerchiefs yeah we know and as say aba who nya say okwakofa the usual cotton handkerchief be na show botum pampe what the people near we are no asan dey show botum now carry gems no everywhere you go no who use floral disposable handkerchief and a tissue paper it will use we na no disposing of now why you free. That's what it is. Inti man san kan there ya to boss say no ketwa kama sebe betimi afete wo pocket or purse and I feel handbag more easily cry. We are a product of Delta Paper Mill Limited. Obenya bia to e wo market baby adodo pa no now afre 0243 033 033 that's 0243 033 033 na ya sort you out come as they do from JK Company Limited on my stationery products papa e bono sign e da form and they ye distributors e de Nataraj products e wo Ghana ha it's a ban of stationery products papa na ni nyina no ya so e ho na o gi no ho so de na e bono da form and they omo bia bookshops na e say stationery shops how do okro mu bebia e hwa no mu na tu ne papa no edi free na omo so de akwakugu omo shops mu aton anya so fa so kakra enti e ba no say open Nataraj pens crayon pencil cases pencils ne mat set de kenkan wa ni nyina no wo de wani achim e wo JK Company Limited ye the best sumo ye ya so NI ye ma JK exercise books afi JK 5-star A4 A3 papers and they can be brave. We be here kwan number 60 Otu Blahum Street close to Christ Embassy away North Industrial Area one cry. Ekita odi bia no afre and I'll bet me cross send WhatsApp there for the same number now so 0540 125 999 0540 125 999 now ya sort you out come apart. Dominion about powder and also near dry boy and yet me build a strong immune system. I bring na your home at me see a so ye na your system because at me fight against every disease bia a some one normalize blood pressure or heart or kidney related problems a boy a feel I face stroke diabetes near there just say nina ni na edi free hono na ho atimi ato bi o yadwuma keto bia no abre o spine ya na mututu and no joint na onom Dominion about powder e be take care of all these problems at the amount available herbal shops ahodo ni na mu across the country dodo pa no na wafre Angel Dominion about center 0543 158 195 afi 020 429 6449 Dominion about powder your number one immune booster yada omo say adama omo ekrekre mu na yada ndan na yitimi enemo esinkunya me pacho afebra Facebook no say sia na videos of our time and ye enfanchero me chon bra Facebook say sia na ebehwe video no Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook joining me say sia bra Facebook ona ebehwe ene videos of our time ayi e dey show. Na as usual I said I am here no mame mbonwura wa adwemu sisi a wa uni access to Facebook me narrate and me church adenum cho no me ma vivid description kama pa ti me wie no na do won hwe video no so na ayese wa hwe video no na wate ho ase na mom say wo access to Facebook there just go there or call Facebook na wa hwa you appreciate it better what I say ti patcho bra Facebook sisi a Adom 106.3 FM now videos of our time and the video na ene o che no ye na ye hwe video no but you can catch us the videos in 2. I'll show you the first one and then when we're done we move on to the second one now I share also all is to tell you say we need to be careful. The other day we were here and I be kan asem bi say as I say ye hwe hu yie na wakọ baabi na manfo no monsa na wonum bi ni ade. You should know yourself. There are some people when they get things free so wakọ party bi no say nsabu any ase boy wi aminim no obenum afa be wi ase no na wagu no ho animu ase poto na anu ada konya bi adufuo de onom ya na ni rafi se ode ka bu ne nam. At the end of the day, there's a copy who tell be manida. At the action of na Osha car na ordinam. A hard dream baby. Yan shasa video in yen the film. A toda ya me can say. And yet there be a video in yashan yes rekekwa. A man for yas or moya nema. Now man for so I capture the beya. Yes, because we there's a swim be film near swim film there's a rene asre. What I say? There's a boy and cocofi bibuno, not a boy coco the film. Eti patro na de no men hwe video no na ensre na mom sua bibi film wan kasa nsoso no say won koye sa de ni bi. Now let's show the first video. Why join me on Facebook ena rule no na wa uni hobi no mi ntwa mfoni nkyerɛ. First video na ye hwe no eye abrante a owo proto ase na e proto na ase no say nani age eti ensa abusuwe de na eso numbi na branch na renum sani bia ama otimi say yes emu ye ma no ene odi asa agi nani a na yo nipa bi otimi say mu odu ye na hwe ensa egu table no so de rese de odi asa no so ni sisi no woso so no ho nani age wari bia few moments later afia branch akọ off ama what form say team and na for this so good bucket mu ne yehwe gu no so say yo no sam nanim just because we rensa ama abroso. Why can't we control ourselves? So why obanim ho sam dey say na mete na makoba bi me no monsa oh we bi ama no ba ko mienu miensa bi eye na obetimi anom nsa ma abroso ama unhu de oye je ofefre ho ma amanfo twinso gu so look at him. Now go when you want to say opinion to say I mean just look at this. Near twins will go so wow just because why we in some abro so ma wako off. Ya share and you say ya be because a ban say no man share revival ni pa na hwe ya. Wow you party wa be out of party ase. It is here two so bucket mu gu be ma so say ya twa tum. And we asem say ya. Omo ye ni say na man phone so your mobile phone so record it. Is this what we want? Yenhwe ne ensua bibi free ne ma bi atise ho. Ne yenhwe ho free ho. We video number 1. Video number 2. And there me show video na me ra ho. Me show video na me ra ho. Video number 2 no there. Enye. Anyo. Video number 2 no there kon. Na me hwa de di na me say so enti sadie we ye me a enti oba ebe hwa de we and this thing is going to be there forever for good. Internet there doesn't forget this video will be there for generations unborn to come and see we as say nanti da choma ne ebe hwa ne papa na gina we a na deja daso wako party abro a wadru so gu no na ebia your wife will see this that the whole world has seen your stupidity. Come on. What is this? Yanko video number 2 at you for more access to Facebook. What measure? More measure how stupid are this guy, the level of stupidity because of insanity. And also your party settings are Abrantie we insane be. Now baby giant churches or no age or chair mini boss, you know. Or ribi dan ho, ribi dan ho. Ribi dan ho. Afia ye kakra. Atiafa so asa brantie dey atu so hunu si bon dey atu so hunu so still now ojan na so to say yeah or wild but won hwe ensan bi ne kurakura no or rensan ojan oba nche che say me ne kapu no won to ba ko pensam yenu na hye botom ekura ne nsam o se den or already fafa hwe one bottle no I can tell say e beer and the another one is this say nya wine na be me mensam me hye da nimu say spray TB o se den yo ene kura ni washing space come washing shorts jeans shorts actually so him say boga papa branty ho ofe nice guy look at that washing one the shades come ono so few look at him hwe bema okita ne kwa akumu baby a wakojira no ne say wakọ washroom na odwon so meanwhile e ho your living room ankonwa sisi ho odwon so gu ankonwa so to say the odwon so gu WC port mu no and odwon so afa na atiagu fom odwon so gu fom o say yo sa ni kwaku da so sa and being recorded and na me kan earlier no wo be ko ba bi wonim ebi kwa hidden cameras wo ho 24/7 e record what is happening. Now I could never be with Tokrum. I say, Magina one corner, if you're it may yamade, but you don't know, say you are being recorded. And to watch Nabi now, very phone now. I mean, so those who know him there definitely when they see this video, they will be able to tell, say, a Kwaku and I Kwame and the Jinawi. Naturally, why you bear Magina, when Okitani bear Mamujina Kaputu, and I what so say no kotia no aso dan mu no odwo so gu fam to say the wanya adware bi ogina odwo so ta na ne dwo so so do so ansa cause why reason how can you disgrace yourself like this how ayasem papa we need to be careful. And you by force. What do you want to kakra say? And some crown, sunny phone, different, or reaches when yanti, or ribi jinania. Look at that. At the end, look at how stupid you've become. A good one was a portal say. Yeah, cranny a day I don't want to to say the bear won't shut down when you bear money, papa. I will cause we are kitties the bear putti now. Ye be ye actually crofosa and idea. It ya should that they don't logo not so. What Joshua Kitamu, what Joshua go ta. And so when your baby I don't so and or Johnson. Meanwhile, will be them. What kind of shameful act is this? Yeah, fancy you. Yes, you'll be free move. Mama me and Shannon keke. Yen sure be being free mu. Videos of our time and the bro. I don't know. You ever call him? Na you be a phone line na. Papa Bills. Say be na ya. To see I was saying. Hey, 46 oh. Ali. Okay, so yabekwa Omano so straight na yene amanfo edin kita ho pacho said every Tuesday bia ye de ebre no confessions ebre no aso entu pacho membo din enchre baby akasa free so no said onim dada no eno ye mfa kan ho nembom problem na ha wo no no abomodin aka problem no e de a kire na said ya na meka no nyame nam Counselor Oscar Shipiso. Na ya hwɛ mmoa yɛbɛtumi de aboa wo ɛwɔ saa nso wo problem na wo ho no ntimpacho from Cecia na confessions yɛn fa ntoa so 0302216561 0302216562 first call already on the line. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ebacho eto
Mr. Adom ho ye.
Yo, ye de nyame ase. Ebacho yentie wasem ade na mo awie.
Oh, wasem oh baby.
Ebacho minyina wo nchen odi mento de o kan je se o kasa den why?
Actually. Oh, but you know baby it is there for the excellent.
Sister. Hello.
Hello.
What do you mean? Phone earpiece no men ben one na e kasa na yente asa o kasa ni wachi why? Na kasa den na yente unka why?
But you. But you mini be man yete na ye. Na wo mi one shame for la no so.
Me pacho be man no one ne tena saying ukuru no.
Many late now to say, or no, but 1 year me more at the
Okay, so when a bear man, Namumi and Mote Batimon worry, and a mawum from you.
But,
and at the end, is he?
And I want shame colano of women. Me name cry, my cause. It's a year or me feeling change. Na many a brand here back being so quite nice. And also, no, yeah,
and also, there, me patro casa you.
I saw also Milena for Bank
na sabe mana one ne ko try no so wan ware o
but one worry me
e na wunya adaje ne wo fo
but akwa say ebusiano wana wo fight ya ma wo
na sister wo fight ma ho na se wakwa ware first one be ma ne de me ware ono wa wo mienu osore a wo boro wa ono a won hwew na nu nti wafi wa adana nka won tena ho so na won twen ya se na ewa betu na wo san ne anada be ma kwotena ono so onye ho ade na ono so ne na san wo fo sister
dia o kana baba akwese sa time no ma kin greedish say ya ade ya di ya mi krampo a emi nti say me twi me ho afi ho afi mo na na yes say be a me kon say me jina tintin this is ya no twi me ho afi ma na me this is ya no so that baby I had to know asira no original side
eti mi pacho say no o problem na nkasa pa ne say a person cancel boa say then pa na person cancel
so see me my bet na kios but me chale me be me join na ka me finish man so say me nyama me someone I am ready to be basan kan kansila o moami
you ya to asem why wow abusia ye kan see na utie bi na ode ye futu ma ho da bia counselor kasa asem no be ma ne nware o no atune akotra ne nchen to say the oye wife to say the oye married woman jo aye ode minya ma counselor you find the next person. Hello, good afternoon. Too bad we've lost that caller. Ever to us so na ya for obifufo 0302216561 0302216562. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Have I tried to say?
Pacho.
You ya no ma ne so den na ya to ho kan yi wa mpacho yeti wasem
mpacho bese na ya mi tai ya de ma mi I come bese mi tai me die 1 week na e tan mi ko but on bese come to one
uria de fi ma mi o
bacha
wono ma mi nkwa nete
bacha
Then na ya uria ono.
Actually, family na ma. Number 10 na si. Me guys are not my.
Anytime be abe make the attempt to stop no acha be a week or two no asa go back home. Okay. You ya ti why be catch your counselor why?
Okay.
Yes. Ever to also for your next caller. Hello? 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 If I try one man,
hello?
Yeah, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
That is saying,
I try and I always swear.
Miss Moyepa.
Jerry, Martin, Minnie Kuma,
If I try radio no, I war hono. Would you loan crown now doom why 19 and tongue?
Yo, Patre.
Oda mundum no nekasa e beto nka wai.
Patre. Oh, okay. Namaste. Minnie Kuma. Kuma. Yes, I come 1 minute and so number.
Yes, I can 1 minute. Oh, Kokuabre. See, I can't 1 minute. Anyways, hello. Hey. Me pacho there be online ninye. Hey. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
At the same. You be my yes young year wapa. You tea was a modern away.
Okay,
What's say?
Yeah,
a photo on what?
I'm saying, you baby after they couple of 7 years.
What's it? Already on the radio no one do why now feedback and SI and tonka why?
Okay, neighbor. Hello,
Metonka Bema.
Okay.
Also, no, or baby at now for 7 years.
Been out now 7 years.
Now, why no?
And then make a horse.
There be one. There be two. Me anti asiana me trona yung say why no?
Me worry no. Me na tena no na abusuafo no em se na ne maame aka ba bi ntia abusuafo o mo hwe no na o mo ni Ghana hanom na me ko fa no na o mo ni me wo problem kakra o mo se o mo mpene se me fa no ene ade enti woni me nkwala bre mo aso den na me ko so ya na oba ne ba me
me pacho yanya ne baako ansa na woni oba ne betena no wo se na ono abusuafo na emprin so na wo abusuafo
ono na abusuafo na emprin so
okay
enti nkwala bre mo aso den ni ade enti na oba ne ba ebedi me nchen ewa Accra ha na emra me neneta no the way na mo mpene so nti no oba ne ba ye no so na me face problem I say on tia fem on e wo kontofa on e wo be ya ka be for this even or ya de kra na say when e ka se mi na ne buku pepepe e we so ja de ni na ati wo no any ade enti no be ye problem and am me nya obi a me complain am because before no na ebusiafo na mpene so and am dey by force of and by you know o complain mo obi a o mo say inform ho enti me so me bu aso say me ne be kasa because akwe erobia da wo say almost your mom pene because o nya dia obetimi ahwe ni yi enti no say uja ni ti ho no mo a o mbedin so mbekasa ya nka ntreo say enti na eso ba na kwa ba bi si ono mo ti me try me best say mewe ye kan say o better sama me empenifo ba mu edu ba bi no ene ade ade edu ba bi no na afede ayede eni anya ni ankata no me kwa adwuma pra me try say ade better sana ma ba fi because me be bia ni obi a me ni be di nkomo ebufuo ni ntokwa ni ade ade enti me so me obi a me ye outside type all the time no me prefer ya na me wo fie eni aba ene say me ko hu oba afupro bi ena me ni oba no e kasa enti me ni oba no kasa no be ba fie ho e kra be ka kire ni say nia oye no oyama me ti abonten me nka se me pam no oyama me ti abonten
bema ebre nti yambo nti entiam enti oba na no meba hello nyabotre me pa choti me sese no oba na woni ne tra ye enfie enson no akosi sese wakofo oba wo fra kan no
oba na wo mi tan ena ba ko na mi ko no so ono so ho
meba tie ogusu wo nchen for 7 years ni no
owo mi tan
ona still meba wo nyabote still no onware ne ye
still na ye ware ye
ena wakofo oba afoforo sese
me patro ai
ena afoforo no so no woni ne egusu wo ho
foforo no asem na me kese no foforo no nyabi a metini ejai no
then
sese no so no ono so enti afie now de me nkwa ne ho ade na se foforo no fa na me compensate no na ne ma bi e cost bia no oncha so na ye ntena so a no so akoye ade foforo enti ama sese emi akata me dina on no in fact me left and right
I dey am meba o tie oba foforo no ono so ye ne ho ade ena meba nyabotre adwuma ye den now I think the problem is that the old one no empese ono a obema mo akoyom no ho ade ena ono so onye na so o na wakọ we akọ new one no Charlie. I wish Zenka because I was on a ebisa 1 or 2 bia and sana, but unfortunately we lost him. Yanfa last one, and some Adrian. Hello. Too bad. Yan try beam just beat me and next one. Hello. Hello, my dear. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Bidia boko there.
Bachan.
You ya den yami asipatro yenti wa asemo ade na moye.
Miss the problem na say me be maybe 13 years.
Ma ware na mo twempra keke.
Emprache
13 years.
Bachan.
And de kra na mo dey bay.
No only be we politics na kaka na rada na do no wenye djuma. Na problem ni say na mama ni papa peneso. Ana obi aba me so me mpe wono na de ana this way onye adwuma ye oso pe graduate
ba o de onye graduate oh
maybe yes enti emu ana ni papa yi ntokwa ba kaka ana kwa mpo manko ko yi na sa yi na ana ne na mfo ne bi ho ma me say o de oba ba na oba no say na adwuma mu ho mbia ana mbisan say se ba ko ba be chia na mami ene ne sister is o man gina tum ono so on tia se so be jamele nto hu bi enkeka
o se me ba o so on ka so be ja o
ono so on ka so jami ono no me kan se me na ja so ono so on tia se mi wan so oni lead ni wo ho o ka te me so ni lead na ja na ne mami ni sister ene invite ne ba omukrumwa ni wanso no ono gene wajuma ntimi ni say ni nko baako se menye denyo my confidence
me bawo se no be ma no o pese o ware o
mi so o ware me ba ko tete me sa
okay se no why na adwen so be ware o but mo mu na no nya social
me nya sure because they say the name sister na ye kra no and so ebo me shake kakra
I said nabusuafo no enya ya anko be ware oba afofo no ne wo adwuma mu no.
That's the point.
Na just wo de omo yi wasi nchen e no no be ma no so ama wo assurance ne say onka so be ja no person ware o. But after being with him for 13 years, no, ocean is suban to say, I mean, you'll be able to access him. Say, despite the Nabusian 4 years, no, still bet me na bigger. While they won't know bet me, so I can say, Nuntino, and say, Oko.
And you're the best son.
And you're the best son. It's not just a only one in our trimpnas, and our person change once, son. And now 13 years in, I want to make a decision. I busy.
Na mini say onye dwuma ye de bia betimi aye kama but na mini say me say
you to why
yeah and that
okay yeah and so na ha dream mum de so ja e ben den you better link up with a counselor, Oscar Shippy. Na yeti said in community BC Aquafa. A hard dream. Papa. Hey. Me fan chama mia minua Kofi Same. Sabi oni abusuafo ni na Pretoria. Omuti edwumadi nyame enhia mu nyina na onkam ho na omom ho ban semu okay enti while we wait for a counselor no yenhwe na yente ba ku mienu infio sharp na fe ye ba ye de aka to so patro nei Skillbrit Parlor unisex salon say uhia professional barbers and a nail technicians and your my adwuma na shop no e wo Matayeko ne sentino we will be qualified for this position now you should live around down some and important one so say the beya wo ba adwuma be ntia wo mudi ama eti we will be we nail technician we professional barber na uhia say adwuma ya free 0243 115 109 and now 0248 224 146 na yeni hu nkomo ye nhwe se adwuma yi yebetimi e de amaw amwaya na fe hye say fruit drink for bakrum no so fruity emu ode yie pa na we no natural refreshing fruit drink full of goodness na the might down so kra ne say a non-carbonated natural fruit drink. Not just say chemical symbia nim bibia natural so fruity. You only 3 flavors: orange and oyanka ya kutu ni adiaye. And you was zingo no a mixture of ginger and then orange. Oh, and ya candia boom kama pa. And you wore the cocktail so the one him say a mixture of different fruit and you put it together. The ye pa. Timan sanka de na wa wani beji hu yi pa se onso unya bi enom ye ene udu ani chi market baby a onsa beka so fruity dodo pa no afre Cedric Odoy on 0548 453 002 and I'll be to me afre 0342 293 63 your phone number 0342 293 263 na yedi engita ho so fruity I say enjoy the goodness of a natural refreshing fruit drink yeda almost so asiye pa ye to aso akọ ye nimu no na ye kai wo say big stay fresh and win promo no and to anko pem stock besa no achede bi gu so ho e de ma say ne obetimi anya home appliances ahodo afi mobile phones gift vouchers ne achede pina in 2 separate drawers in tiko so aso beto big one sensitive FA any outlet bia now so wetimi de ho ahye sa academy na wanya achede atiseye ebie ya na wa so big always gives you more. For further details phrase 0248 11798. Terms and conditions apply. Yeah, na wash no so sa ede amaye. E beto aso akwanim na ye ka wo say nei MTN say fa to Ghana phone nyina anim. Say from the 2nd of April 2021. Abribia beko eye Momo joint bia say okwa transaction e wo ho no. You'll be required to present a valid national ID card. And say yes, our transaction with the amount. Yes, I de alala emaso. Yeah, we say be wow ho ban. Now our cost to receive cash. Now we handle transactions in a safe and secure manner. That is why we are good together. Just momo it everywhere you go. Na bibia so ebeko yi e de amount. Uso awuti Adom 106.3 FM. Na say dem di kan no ye hwe say you bet me a link up with a counselor Oscar Sripi na ene ensem amanfo de abedan no ye de atonanim na ho emmo bet me de aboan no or de aboan yes I can yan kwa man so counselor good afternoon. Hello counselor good afternoon.
Good afternoon Jerry.
Counselor na umpom et say wie
Adom no ho ye na mo so
Adom kro ye ti yenso ye ho ye awie pa na ensem amanfo de ba na ya ho dwi sem papa yo de di kan counselor yan hwede ye nua ba ne kasa akiri ya di na yan kan wasem oni be ma hwehye honom for 13 solid years say eno enya ware but oni abranti ene ho na abranti no ni bi just I say fresh graduate John one boa na adwuma sem nko ye ti say hoping say that no ye ya obeboa no now abranti no is well to do now so after 13 years on no when we say oni oba bi o na adwuma mu ehhehye ho asa oba no de graduate just as obema no ne ade a na o complaining and bema na ka chen say onye na adwin so uja no obewan no but ono so ohwe bema ne attitude ne especially obema ne family people no I said they are all in support of Sa or Bafu ya Bema Nation when a Jumti, one shall crown up Presuma Bema and Waina. And she ya na when you have problems. Inti, why are confused at this point?
13 years.
13 solid years.
Me sure say I want to assume the time on the guy in 19, not guy no or on your graduate.
Or sena guy in here graduate.
Yes, I know you school.
Yeah, said they are doing
13 years there. So what university 4 years.
Yeah.
So plus infant 9 years plus. 13 years there. A woman found.
Papa.
See, I am the Santo. I okay almost said. And some year comes. You see. Maybe I'm just only been Namoa. Also, besides the Nipa winner, many Namano, I didn't hear no, yet they call him. Was only object, only the reason only Nipa Namdia. You are wasting your time. Time is life. Yes. Every 24 hours, we are no, or life should take 24 hours. So, life, time, you equate it to your life. It is almost be taking 13 years out of your life. A serious issue. Now, I see almost a guy no be champion. A guy they say, oh no, person worry.
Yeah.
What is that?
About worry like 13 years in there.
Yes, I mean, you see sometimes no. I'm on 40, I'm be a grow. But I don't know the importance of life. And you know that one day you will be giving account of your life. Who for life in the goes out? People who are serious and they know the essence of life and almost in the grossa. Nippon also won't so new binam. So which one are you believing? Madam, 30 years I see you. 30 years I see. So what about down on the stories I tell? Me and I'm a dog. Me what you between Chimpana. And the excuse is that only a graduate. Now only a graduate, and when are you going to be a graduate? already know there's a condition. 7 years graduate. Unless you want to tell me say in the next 4 years you are going to graduate. Because I say only open the man, almost nibu safaji to say nipano. That person is a graduate. You are not. So the more you hang around with the guy, the more you are wasting your time. But you see, sometimes no, all casa no can send me or some kwe and no be catcher and so win guy about. You see those things no. Now I say nipana you can be. I think not what you say you can be and no be here not say and no be catcher. Are you the wife? Madam, 13 years as you. The only man, me person me catch on the say. 10 years of your life is gone, and you have been chasing shadows all these years. 13 years to do and you my body here farm and gabadis and farm no when you own person. Move on with your life. That no, the reason why it's difficult to say on your own, you more did that. I'm going to say yes, they do baby number be 30 this year. The machine, and I'm who knows or can say who only be and that's the only graduate name. Already know you are putting yourself in a position. I say you have lost self-respect. 30 years actually. Savage the rest of your life. Count your losses, put your life together, and move on. But if you say still be while this ends, you know, about 14 years. Not quite now, please. No moving with your life. 13 years quarter. Move on with your life.
Great.
See, and this issue of the person you be jai nipa nimpino on penny sign. And I am in tears you. Me life na me born na me dia man. Me ni unam enye juma. Me se be ko so penny. On penny say o yam papa no mama. And I saw you there. But sometimes they do a lot of stupid things. Into your quiet, yes, don't say, I do hear that. Me, Matuto no mamma. Why, I say, Inky, Jennifer, see you, it's or some penny say, hey, oh, papa, hey, oh, mommy. Please, 13 years is gone on. Listen, time me cool. I've got one about time me call. Savage the rest.
Right. The next one, a branch HSA. Too much. Yamitiasi. Also, Chessa on a Abai be atna for 7 years. Ewa bra on worry, no yen and one.
It's a trend. Trend analysis, no. You look at the way things are going, and in trend analysis, no, you can conclude that based on what is happening, no, society, this is the direction they come.
That is it. Crawford and Crawford, they are living like husband and wives.
Yes. So when you do that analysis, who says in society, in same echo, it is a society in same echo, dear.
There was some one
because in that questions, then you know, many of you and on him, and I want me, and on him. Some time ago, the same thing came. So, in your society, no, it's a honor echo. And it's a honor echo, dear. The preaching in the church is going to say, son. Yes. Bible says the children of Issachar, they understood the times, and they knew what Israel ought to do. We all must understand the times and know what is affecting the society, and know what it's about. Other than that, we'll be talking about things that are not relevant to what is happening in society. And a lot of people will suffer. Sorry, tell me, Bemu.
Oh, no problem. Enti, Ochasa 7 years, and on your bio show, but enya warrior. Now, from the beginning, none of the relatives and princes say, on Obano Ebetna. But we insist here because now, or don't want. But after some time, Obano Subians, I didn't bufuka and any bufu betting for 4 days continuously, not just Ubia, New Biancasa. I didn't Koswama, I had not it in a. I'm a catcher Obano said the way I oil or pump lifino and she ya or Bema or Becquaco for Ampano. Now he's involved with another lady. Ama Obana ya aware says he say Obafo for now. se be obepene so na wagyae no na obi a wonya ware yen so no se be obema na movie on no wa ware oba for na so se obepene so na onko ware no se oba no so ye na adwen se opene so na se mumu no wakwa akoware no e no no so ye na adwen se okọ na wakwa akoware oba for na wakwa akohia no se ono so
o say o si get lady no ebu so company
yeah
the first person bisa ni say o ti na no promote dan mo sorry na be at there no ready
asem se be
because already nebu so for some company o it is 7 years no try no the bit to get no how you going to answer
yeah asem
it's why you working con ebu so for some company who the also ni pa ni bet now no ni na trust 7 years obi ba no the bit to no obey now you are saying oh or kasa to say get ni kun and I'm sorry go get ni oh and na menene and I mean the indoor type. Who gave you that audacity? Yes. And I mean na the kind of the and na mako catch and say mama go outside. Oh, any na go to be ni ku. Me wa mo worry. Listen. What now 7 years? And yes over be back with kwasiao. Because sometimes that's what they do. They want to give excuses. The reason why they have to separate you. One on another home against the wishes of Nebuchadnezzar for, and I'm going to 7 years. Because of that, no, you will not even get the disaster before now. And that's all for Remember, my name are older ladies, and I don't know how old you are, but I feel that the time has come for you to go to the family members and go and tell them say you are ready to marry the lady. Yeah, you
right. Abranti enso che say o wi ade pa na ya no o jaya obi hu anu wasan ko back na osan wi ane maami bi mu sa.
First of all, no, also bisa no say can or pen or the coedi. No confess ka need something that's why you are going for the money.
Yeah.
The question also bisa won say can I me fit me maami hon. Me wi anu me the coedi. Okay. So my advice to the women say instead of say wi anu ombisa. Okay, only bibi ha ombisa. But I know that there are people amunia ye mo muska. So bi wo fi bi wo amafo nya ye mo muska.
Yeah.
Udidi a anopa. Ewi ana modidi. Eni modidi. Ye mba se diska. Aha. But sometimes no when the nipa no need. I'm not saying it because the local we are. I'm against that. But yes, that the idea umbisa ni mami umbisa. No money mami reason why unyeska. And sometimes you have to tell your parents that look, maybe I will say kaka mama be a 5 cities na me van to me. So that be am person tell you got be na bibia na me sumeti nyato. Instead of so be we ano. Umbisa ni mami. And umbisa ni say kana me fa no me de ye. But advice and woman say umbisa ni mami. Na tani mami am fa mana no experience ni mami. So mean this guy say. We are so yen sam mo a. E be boy sort of so be we ano.
Okay. That's good. And the final one na yehwe no. And also the same case bia. Oni Obama first one at 9.
Yeah, once amafo bi nyan fo pa o.
Oh. Omo 2 kids ni wie no. And ohun say abrantia no emwa no. Esa say no abisu no obo no da bia saa ne ade a so she left that guy. Oja no ho no e no san ko hia bema foforo. E no ne saa bema na kwa akotena. E na one saa bema no so asan wo nkola afọ e wa bra saa bema no enware no. E na sese wo hu say no so no emwa no. E now baby ote o che say as a squat or baby kra ne ade a ahochirom. And now the health too is failing her. I just say how can you put yourself in such a situation?
What you sow, you reap.
Yeah, same.
No, sometimes it's difficult for people to accept that. So what you sow, you reap. But I want people to understand, say, what you sow, you will reap. Okay, Bible say, as long as the earth remaineth, seed time and harvest time will not cease. So when you sow, you reap. Could you have about the about when you be there grow? When you be there, or why, or boom, or no, what's it that be? If you are moving from that realm, call a better place.
Why do you repeat the same
in
thing?
The West East.
Oh.
This time, can be 4.
4.
Madam, one
at all. At all.
Sometimes, you know, young person had problems, Brian. And when they start on the bar, they want to blame other people. My advice is that she should go to Nyame. No one can say, yes, we're living a life in a certain way. I'm one. Submit her life to Christ. And then let Jesus Christ come and live in her life. No one Nyame said there will be a turnaround. There is any grace. That grace is in Nyame. All the worst years, you are going to redeem them. Number within 1 year, a bit take you 30 years on to be your guardian. The what she needs now is a grace. For the grace of God to intervene in her life. And she should accept Jesus Christ as the Lord and personal Savior. Don't surrender the Bibi through Christ. Don't catch Yankubo said, now, bravo, the Akano, and restore me. And I believe that God who is merciful and gracious, the grace of God will intervene in her affairs. So the last years, she will be able to redeem them. Other than that, very difficult. All I can see is say, what you sow, you reap. Unfortunately, they are so not reaping time near. Because you pay resource now, because you pay resource now, Valentino. You pay the gear to say, Abrabone born a okay, but so to me admit that because of the Abrabone me boy, and internet for her. If I want to change what will happen tomorrow, I must change what is happening today. The future is not tomorrow. The future is today. If you don't like the past, change what you are doing today, and you are going to get a better future. Don't so be there at the end of the day, you will regret it. Other than that, it will take only the grace of God. Be very careful. Time is going. Make sure that you are making the maximum use of your time. And then the 2nd of February 2021, Catcher said that this year I'll sow the right seeds. So that at the end of the day, my life will become better. People have made mistakes in the past. They sat down one day and said, no, I want to change the course of the future. And started doing BB Papa about the present. No, they have become better people. What somebody has done in 20 years, God can give it to you in 1 year. So, yes, the past might be painful, but put the past behind you. Like Catcher and then 2nd February. And then on confessions, who say, I'm not for him, Mema, and I'm warrior. I affect you. Going forward, I'll be very careful with my life. Every step I may take, I'll ask for the direction of the Holy Spirit. So that at the end of the day, by the time 2021 ever close, I'll look back and say that this is the doing of the Lord and it's marvelous in my sight. After the past is gone. It might be painful, might be whatever, but focus on the future. How do you change the future? Do something better about today. Because the future is not tomorrow. The future is today. What you want to see tomorrow, start seeing them today. Meaning, because of the things that happened in the past. If you want the future to be better, we must improve what we are doing today. Be careful. Don't live for another person. Never being determined how you live your life. By wasting your life in the name of relationship, in the name of love, in the name of all those infatuations. A lot of people's lives are being wasted because almost see me don't you want to mean that and I say in the name of that on your way 2 years courtship no more guys on another person for 2 years. What you are doing, you are writing your history. When the time comes, make sure that 2021, from this 2nd February, you do the right thing so that at the end of the day, your life will become better. That is why the program confession is there. So that at the end of the day, people are giving directions, life become better.
Councillor, Oisha also, where the minim say.
Because Jerry, also for me, trend in the echo. Actually, the way society no echo.
Yeah.
Yes. Nobody should run away from that too. If you say, oh, and you be for 5 being a bit kasai, the same thing when you are doing statistics and you offer sample, offer kaka, and because of what is happening, you'll be able to say because of sample na mefano, say na beye. Okay? In the trend in the economy, last year the same thing happened.
Yes.
There was a day we had the same issue, the same thing. We should be very careful. And I'm calling on the society, any religious bodies, you're watching messages that you're preaching. The time has come. We understand the times and know what the people need. So that at the end of the day, people will be transformed, people become better, they will take the right decisions. God will not bless you in sin. When you are in sin, God shows you mercy. I repeat, when you are living in sin, God only shows you mercy so that you repent. God does not bless people in sin. So I believe that based on what is happening, me, Jerry, Papa Bills, we have a responsibility to know where our society is going. So that at the end of the day, we know what to tell the people. Thank you,
Oisha also councillor that was here pa. Enti de ekodu ye no eno no. Yen sempi. De omunu se ye de asda bema e pro sponsors a. Omo ema yeti asemu editu yonfo. Dani de nyina isan se futu no. Ena councillor de ato aso de amaye no. E ba cho door master and Pobiman paint depot. And they also enjoy between 5 and 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. Your doors range from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armor doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors. In fact, any kind of door be out here biano, room, our door master and Pobiman paint depot na on sa ebe count there edia free oba paint from one as well. And they yene a news paint. And our partner. It's a Euro standard news paint on Sakabia, say acrylic, emotion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, wall primers, potty, any paint accessories I would need no. On sa ebetimi account there at the few bonus so that for me pa. Yes, so at the Shabia by no institutions I would do offices, schools, churches, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers near dinner. Ya mama kwenya say, mo meje paint na mo fanko painti. Madan ahodo ni nyina. Actually no, majebre na mo tuatua nkakra wa bra. Interest bia enka ho. Eno ne efre no, paint now, pay later. Ubehu eye Pobiman paint door master and Pobiman paint depot echi akwan. Eye Pobiman toll booth wana on the Accra Kumasi highway. If that's so do Pobiman toll booth wa ujina toll booth wana when you to your shop no mo hono street. Ubetimi afre 0542 745 222 and afre 050 021 2447. Na ye din komo as they do your farmer MTN medical catcher that just to remind you one more time says say from the 2nd of April 2021 Abribia Beko Momo agent point be asa ko perform a transaction no the yen say ubedikan assure o valid national ID card and sana sa transaction it me successful ye we say be boa wa na wa cost receive cash na wa handle transactions in a safe and secure way. That's why we are good together. Just momo it everywhere you go. I feel your first day, you know, Emma, time herbal mixture. Time herbal mixture. Yes. And for the treatment of malaria fever. Unya bia, and no. A bay Jumani na de amakama, or beto. I feel one more to a untimidi na honamuna hunia deano. Nina so beko. Na bibia so etimi akoye e de amount tia na wabomodin a time herbal mixture bi echi akwan na wanom na bibia so etimi akoye e de amount na se opeso ho esisi ho so ntem so de a eno an se obema onsa aka eye K&G herbal capsule CB na wanonom eno no beboa na chese bibia ni a ho no etimi esi ho so ntem pa isa se eno no eye for general well-being tiana washe no so sa ede ama yen e patro benya bia to Kings Walk Herbal Repash Ventures Rich Jones Zidos Herbal ni awo kan shi drug lane afi Ekus Pharmacy by class Larry Widama Pharmacy ni na so wo eye Ashaman and oborem e wo Tribe of Judah Kaswa benya bi ho afi Pharma Trust Wija Junction e hon so ebi e wo ho enya sa no afre 0244 417 669 na dodo bia ohia bia no wonso wonsa ebeka naija wetimi edi eduduma na bibia so akoyi edi amount uguso awutie Adom 106.3 FM Ghana's #1 radio station yemfa we entwim kitua bi na fe yemfa irrigated sport entro also
sorry me kono bi na djuma ya adwai sorry me kono bi na djuma ya fo adwai sorry me kono adwai da sunye ma adwai sorry me yo bi na djuma adwai sorry me kono bi na djuma ya ta adwai sorry me kono Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Just adwai sorry me kono bi na djuma ya adwai sorry me Sorry, Maunasu soja lafia de. Ajwai. Maunasu. Ajwa maunasu. Ajwai. Maunasu soja lafia de.
All right, Ajwa FIFA na to form.
Ajwa lafia de. Ajwai.
Oh, Masuka Craft to form. Na a penny for Enkasa na Yanko Fire Gator Sports at Twaso.
Well. Please, Alligator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Alligator Sports. A papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you. Afia ni see you know. Na ya manya mini part to aso amaye.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Nice one. So mommy.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. Na debia miti Alligated Sports. There's no day minti irrigated because miti manage na me stress. Great.
Over.
Open program one Dede Sham Fast Sports one T Irrigated Sports or Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Nice one. Kwame Akwaba. And put mu to say. Adom ninti me so me kama pa. Kama.
Whether party or no party, still I'm Punano also near war.
Okay. And as you see, a baby, I do know.
Some country was no maximum. So, me and at the end, I was from or Canada or show. Or since I found watching, as dangerous as which a nose mask.
Or Montiasi, nose mask no show. Now, Cassa. Open craft each and one. He said, whom yes, I hear names at the room. Yeah, but you see. Ugusu kasa say say no ma kasa bia no bi kasa ba ko mienu me san bonti bia nya hwu but say otia o kasa ye we den etino dia me ye ne say me ye say na me we ya no ma dispose of na ma wo me sa na ma sanitizer me come baby definitely one show one mask da bia one show one mask and no dey me we ya na me mo an to admu ya na me sanitizer me
sanitizer so men kan kire amanfo say nose mask tuntum no and also a disposable to start white no
say bi no mo hu say nya fin say e hye na ani
hwehwem kakra ma hu say obi wa auto black re ba ko 1 month ansana Pagato,
hu fini kura bekum
ana fe omo eton no so
hu fini kura bekum
omo nyai
is kasemana
kwaku omo moton no so the omo tutuntum ni boni free enra no the price of the black one has increased we busa say adenti na omo yesa anyambra nsem no omo le tell me say omo krom say omo kofa nose mask no black na price no ya because people are demanding for the black. One of the kind demand and supply back at school. But when you are here now, nipa ankwa and was some and a year can. The best round say, Ma Omonyanisa, Ma Omontum, a man boy and Cosro. I want you let out for me and Poncho.
Because I did you.
As out to
Grovoi. Come home, state of your mortgage account.
But you now, dear,
I can't go where I is.
But you now, Wakuma, and can we understand Kuma could be our dying. I'm not enough from the Kanguaza. Housing a very big problem with Kuma, but 124 alcohol. National Service near the bank for the first time. Now you saw my hand, they won't care 3 years advance.
First can
of fun away from. But the Ghana penny for your can't say near housing every move. Now you see affordable housing. A boy to affordable housing. Every teacher be a no better to affordable housing. Politicians no asaton, no need high. How could they make out any part? I've only such that Minumio near to it is not affordable to the ordinary Ghanaian. Debbie, it is almost our talk. No more than they are very renting. Minusoko to affordable Nibia. Would allow your teacher knee and our nurse near to affordable Nibin. Test me says, yeah, a number no. Yet to make
and then no criminal. I'm very much aware of this. I am bad, and I won't come once some the dad. Oh, now if you can't somewhere.
say a course of
because me who affordable housing bia low class for timi akoto bi da. Oh, na sen kra say baku yom de abasai rent to own. Enu say anka wo a wa hye wadwuma se kra bi agya oje musumi kakakai na instead sen ka kukurus kakaka de akotua for 2 years hwan na kan wa kwotenam bosumi bia na watua bosumi bia na watua bosumi de odi tuatua na dan ka na odi tua da for some years to come na be yodia eso be kohwe eskafo ya na ekwa akogye no aboso no one said they are renting my here for ye tua no mo nso di tua
kwa ko Mr. Wa America ne da akogye 30 years ono no pen na Ghana drink akra woni trimti ono ne kuso 15 years be tua 15 years
oh hopa
30 years o
hopa
asa be tuma akogye dan 30 years no tua
kakra
na DJ
o se say
boy chile say kata ne de brown no ne de ka ho
ano cancer pe kan bi di o me come for na thousand do bi o na aka de o be dia no nko
ya so
aku corona no ano ayedin say almost every day me ti obi a me nim no a wawu anase obi a me yankasa
oh madam for me madam for be o church member baako in the UK no. Oh, the picture send me pa. Some nice guy, bio. Yeah. Tim say I brand pa.
So who are down for be
down
for Doctor Bu America.
Yeah.
I want to down for architect be as one so free mu. Oh, say see aka be badwuma ya na. You ni sika tem say me hwe me hu ye na say yare no. I had na.
Me kwa man say and you make kwa me friend say ye bi ni ade.
So what you say? Enti me sre pa me pa mo chew.
Yeah, say.
Ma obia amfa yare no eni agro I di pa I di papa de say say the owu no so kra doso owu no adoso ana enro ye grana your man bia ye health system na kasa no e porous dada so profo no ye e porous e fragile ye health system na kasa
this dey na me fa no okay mbawo o person che say o ni twi mu no person che say health system
abubu ayebo
okay you
the health system in this country no ay porous
ay fragile
what you say the health system in this country no ay too make the last one be account and say
emma
ay too soft
health system near too soft
very soft to the
and there's a soft thing here the porous no so here
porous there yes porous there's a wood that to grow
the wood that to grow health system that only it's just to grow them
the pictures to grow them
okay you
enti kwaku ye omanya ye apomuden sam anko anim
and there's a wood that to grow there the soft so here
okay yes the one
the no so here
I say kwaku na say are man no so kakra yi ma to say I use you no maybe I don't go for no almost na yema o frenya ho yese ha yema o fre legon yese ha yema yare wo senya yare a eye obi a timi de tompa so e mama no ayi disaccord kakra nsa na e be fa no enya ye obi pe why dangerous wa wo de wo say ka no wa ko to dura bre no wa wo de netina wo ka mu obi e te ne yare
I see you
and I'm making
intensive care
units I see you to me Ghana for no smarts no yen she baby yeti wan yi bi diffuse akra wa ha na so ebutubutu ya hwene so se na se be ka fracture ye coffee tab be
see the new
ano ye din
ne
eti Ghana for anya ahweye
ade na hu
asama to oda telam te no bi ato judge bi na
judge
mo pa
ene mai zo mo
judge judge keto akra
ene mai wo maga bakra o
judge ni de judge unsa that man no nru university judge mai kwa dem yenu na we university akaba akọ
you don't mean it
ebe we dis akoka na ho university ho enti judge no te asem ne pena collapse e so gina wo so home 3 times from team judge afamu collapse asampa na me ka tire ko se ne se judge ne so ho no nya anonymous text message bi say ne ba last one no anya ne ba ejopa onye DNA waso onya no besa 1 year na omu assassin no te omu na oni pa kona biem asan ba say onye asan send text message be no so
ene jamo oni ba kona o fire
na kwaku every point in time be ye obi a onim the right thing but say depending na omo te e man samboni siasa say post akwala bi kora na ma mi bi ewu ne se yan kan kire na
there be o me ba people do things and at that point in time when they were doing it, no, or my mindset is different.
Okay.
And then later on, either they regret doing that thing or they get a different mindset towards what they did. So what I say, and then they want to make some changes. We'll be on more. I do am here, pa, de ma mo papa. It's my man cannot credit me film so before me who you know, people do that. But at that point now, no, and they're not doing that and say he was doing it to punish Obi and now I not be a crowd. He was just doing it.
It was all was okay.
So what I say,
I test no cry say no cry last one. No, na last one na dia. E je no ho no sadia onye
wrong the account.
Onye tu na account na okọ mo university of Chom say mama say ni ti me hia mo yi akoye document bi am mama akwa buruchire no. Me hia mo die ni ade na otwetwe nkwala intersu na ode koye kohwe aminu na aka no so anya ne dia. Enti o woman ne court dem ho no na oba na admit ye pe na papa no so etwahwe ye.
Oba na admit ye that truly nkwala ye ne ma. But you see on this idea we know, women can be very dangerous power. But between Bemano and your back on any way, they know say Akolawi Ayaneba. Oh, that wow, Obano on him or Wakolano. Obano, Sana mean patch between on your Obano or carry pregnancy in a day. Omunim say, this is our child, Akolawi Eba. But Oba on it as Oire now in a woman,
Yeah.
Now, sorry, daddy. Also, my son, my daughter, my son, my daughter. No banning him, face, oh, Jai. Oh, for I don't my daughter, so but they will keep it and they won't tell you the truth.
I don't know we are better.
I don't know why these things happen.
Now, because a bit man on one.
And I mean,
because your husband can produce a
baby, no. Later, na say that day later on about
fresh.
So it means that he is capable of impregnating you. So how then do you?
So that no about China to when your ovulation, you know, or that ten you now come back no be see actually. So until ovulation time not to that Ghana.
Eti judge so dey.
That you to say ovulation to no na what you perform. Kokofo no something dey agro sado.
Hey, serious.
4 days ni so sorry.
Oh, come on.
I'm a bump person.
Adom
106.3.
See, for school fees, I mean, for Sikadia, that's right. Having lived with Nkolai right from the start, penny few so. Are you going to cut ties with them? Are you going to Charlie those things? And no one dream a bit me.
They call you daddy.
Hey, it is serious. You know, say this is your flesh, this is your blood.
Yeah.
Only for you to see, say, a man won't share. Charlie,
university for me, you know.
Goodness.
They are high school. So
this is serious matter. I can't
say a lawyer. About a lawyer now.
I know they are judge in his hand.
I'm say another lawyer be on any chambers.
Jesus.
On the next man is on the all my judge in his hand.
Jesus.
And the Umbusan say, Bema no aware, and I say, I be man aware.
That
the man who has been impregnating the woman on your way.
This is evil. If that is the case, it is very evil. Especially.
Man, bet for money so.
I don't find any society. So almost a case in Nigeria.
Nigeria case.
Na. See, for any society.
Now
the other no yeah there any nsem now
ababu obetumi kwakwa da no pa na one kwame da nwumre
there been 2 years side only kwaku da no pa na kwa
on the moral side of
me na ross I betumi anyam
me research kwa me ya just condom no boys na nje amon she kwaku research lecture me say omunya girls na fofora first 2 weeks no me dey bia condom get be di 1 month 2 months 3 months pa na fe wrong research amateur that me was later. Me the later na me say me can and findings ni nyina wo ho. Region by region. The way I condom net eto so ate per region no. Later time.
Erade amwan ya.
Later crowd is a condom no more ja to cry.
Ebe ha dream pa.
Ba ku research na kwa akọchira say ba ku bi am de emergency contraceptive na ya to ne more. That's condom no cry.
Nyame amwan ya so be
show. What say emergency contraceptive you ho. No the oba no. ọba na ọrọ wi ano wanom
say the be ya won say
omo to eno mo kra say condom ni say raw no aye Ghana
enso ka no kra be hwem ka e bi kra say nka warefo
warefo ana ema no kra bebre no omo wi say PK yase ka we ba ko say chari ansa ba say so mo ta no ntino eguni bag mi say
ti bedu say wo pe ba na fi ade
ọrọ ya ta no obo ta wasan ifufura tum ta every day no ore asade na so we ba ko kra say eche ansa na wasan we be because I serious
and they say yama yi na wan kan wo yam cemento
ya no enti push ya bi wa say oba bon wa de na the why say abortion so ba bi dem ka ja say bebe bi wo so mpe bon
me kan wo so mpe oba na wa woda na wa ware no
but de wakonya
na on wo da
I na abortions
on da bi on shed dan koya abortion and kasa ba de wa ye
wa we PK no
wa we ayi sa kan yam cement
ba ko bi 2 kan ho
ti be wa mo be ya
ba ko bi ni din
e ma ni
2 kan ho
e den ade
sa dru ba ko bi 2 kan ni din no
P de no
bi
P2 no
on the top any ni ho
aduma be ye ni
ho we den on ma won ron anti I was me basi si anu akoje o de ahare bag ketu anim na enti kwaku no asam no kwaku am si ye cases no egusu akwa na ekosoro ye cases no gusu na owuo no nso ekosoro ya mo se ma ye hunhunra nipa da bia me kase kwaku ade ye hu akase ye hu enkasa ye bi si basa kase ye hu
I something which is
the deaths are increasing nipa ni wuwa na ewu first na do na ho tom say de do na e free mu tiesre obia adwa so titiri kwaku na no kufo do kasa na wayi MC fo afiri mu yi party afiri mu na wagya adwa so ibetima yi bibia fa adwa so mo yenye marketplaces makola kanesi and chroma circle pedestrian one shopping mall so you betima put structures be in place na impo the phone ya rushing o ma kwaku rushing here we should think towards that direction. Because kwaku wa ma yanko party wa ma yanko yie ne yakọ market na Adom pima the same corona me yakofa no wo
yeah
I'm not saying say market for nko fie omo to aduane ma yedi but something should be done omo boss be bre no omo say no smarts no ya kan for instant fan bi mra especially for markets because obi ton wache na okasa e wache pan no enipa antokronye nipa be 300 it will infect sa wache na obi infect for more say me abekoye MC kwaku got my point I mean not what your industrial area no so when you COVID na on share nose mask na kasa gu wache ni so a wo so mo kasa amu tinya no mo kasa wo ka to say wo petalia the word talia say it so ba talia wo dey say wo ka talia no wo so nose mask na before talia me ma talia say
was it 2 CDs 2 CDs
so 2 student so ba it watch you run out on watch no so nya infectious pa any point be mom in a day no enya sam ketwa e bi hunu no
ene omunyai talia ne kana yo mka macaroni
kwa dey worse
David talia de David talia de tao talia de ta bunu do
enti no yan hwe sa afo no so e go bi oton wache you do no say max but instantly 400 cedis when nya you do court I don't quite me solve that problem with you.
Yeah.
Approach him the job machine sana. Odi obi o land on train. If you go out without
a whole system no. Fine no. A very simple
because you be afie.
Oh, and yes we fear some grass even if on the spot no crown sikano ensure one auditua. They know how to get the money but high some way only pan this oyire na obesi adjust. Say
but because we can say kakadia o monye o me dey dem say dwaso fo no
me dey na nka minim senka community service bi no musa no bamu na akeye say we chire say ya wokan ye chire na ene from Aveno Junction e de kwa akosi ECG fo no animo be pra kwa na kwa akosi
2 weeks we no
be pra sa akosi ade che wasan be the same thing sa for 1 month ye say na
because Ghana for you nipa bia o kasem chere trasa dia yamfa that has been us
ya semo
ene na me hwe news Adom
nyamemrem na
se Kumasi market na omusi no sika na edi besi market na ba abeda ho saa almost 6 months yentimi nyi enipa na omo a hokes ni mfio e ma yensi market na ene no
that is Ghana for you
ene no so mbe yo na se mu politicians no e mu di adwen ho agro ada na before e beto ba no manyi o mfio kwaku de mi ka otiase
etiase ba
aka be 2 weeks am ya kwato aba no mo se mo obi antena ha but mo ye o sa na afi nipa na ba ye mo kwaku ba bia market ba ho e nipa mi nipa na start ube ho na eye banchiru ba ko de body
sometimes ba ko pekra o ba ko pekra
to kube ono ko atu we kube
market ye o mo ye wo
bridge asi
sa bridge na wo old piece of
ai
ho start nipa ba ko
ai they say choba nyina wo
say why have they been able to do something about it?
Move them.
But that place is very dangerous to even do trade. Very, very, very dangerous. City authorities in there, they see it every day. Every day. They see it each and every day. But ask yourself, they're not my found.
There's no way you can go to Kumasi.
They've not done anything about it. Any of the gums are. Oko kaso mo nwen ho so anom buafu
da be dwen de mo nwen ho
oko ka no buafu
mo dwen ho ko mo ye ansa na major saba
it is dangerous. It is very, 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 very dangerous. Na asamba akwa de bia make indiscipline sadie e cost we na e can be because if we were disciplined enough obi nkonko share market ase at such a place. But because we are not disciplined and we celebrate indiscipline,
just like that.
The fact is that we have places accepted. There are some places that you go, you see like those street markets near then
yes, that's what I know.
But and yet, look, you go to places and then 3 lanes now you occupy lane now they are doing business, then you ask yourself why? And then city authorities also how do you call it? And then they are trading over there. Road street, for Christ's sake.
I'm
sorry, we no green ya no ti o ya tino
and say approach for me ba ko kwa de wa hre ne nkwa na ba ko so aprapra mu odin our pram kese a bank de still region ha ya
pram kese
am robbery cases ya na kwaku am robbery no so it's on the rise it ya so yenya hwie kakra un say system ni mu ya say ni pa
no mo henya mu
ha nti yenya hwie we the police for no yakopon form currency ye enti na so be respect police ni a na Majasa will nipa pa. As I say, no matter how religious you are, some Arabs about fear, you will not call your head pastor.
That's all.
You will call the police. And the Ghana police for corrupt. And no one soon there. That's all we have. We are not so what you're in the mouth.
Yeah.
Or could you a craft from Quintino? The bonny tool, a kunia, ya. I'm at the word praise to Opera. A big crump part wants me as I be the police. And see, Sasamano. See, February 1st, and I've been and wrap it. And I said, say, Sergeant Tete, and a couple, Totime, I was some papa, and see, and also say, a somewhat, I see. Now, Kwaku, as a folk, or yawa ye, you need or yaw need me yet. Now, Obia, Shami, I said, Shana, I say, has on Nipadona, a yaw de. Now, and you say, Obia, and say, Accra Great Olympics. And I share yen. Na Oli Kroya, and I was share Kotokono. Do not send me sending me mails. I'm by Instagram. I didn't do not Kotoko phone. Say, almost show dear, no much in Sudia. Before could be best rea. Come on, a dear Namone, and the people now. I want to be on Emeka. And then one of my dear Digital Abbessary. Now, the first watch the house of folk players, any management said, they see ye. Oh, my idea is
you ate order as if I
why and cry
why
Kwaku Mata says it do so be about
open say a pram kesi one near Nikrumu. I say, oh, in a room from
Kesiwan. I were your coin so I'll come.
Baby, our robbery is here.
Oh,
Robbery now can was him.
Moku police in no. They say I'm Robertson also I look at my sophisticated machines. Sophisticated.
Yeah.
Sophisticated. Just I told the other ones na crofo we kura kwan ben no mo
fa so nyae.
Omunya sa sophisticated.
Oh to boase, oh sa say no. Fesiwa.
Brofo ba kuna me kan na me kasa.
Said the omunya sa first brofo no.
First brofo no machines. Obetwi ho a.
Unti ase.
Said the other child no emre ya.
Unyina sa wo home. You keep going.
I'm Robert now kita on aba wi on kita AK47 ya. Opesori ya kwa wo.
Azawo. It's serious.
Sadia no before say the psychological trauma alone kra. So kwa kuda oda mo abuza kwa bi wa. Na ni mutum for scabla. Bi to tell because say kwa mobile money ko scabla.
Me di ya na eno kura mini ho.
No be si wachi.
Nkrofo ekusi akiri ko wi ami.
Okay.
Unim say kura na me da ho aya na bisuru say
I petty theft for
serious. So imagine that what that one near do a base use a robber. Charlie, it's always.
Papa, I can't send Bina, him say on an idea.
Papa Bear.
The Utia, a 7 year now, but I say yes.
Ladies, let me tell you one secret. Men actually come faster when they are having sex with the one they truly love from their hearts. If your man doesn't come fast in his first round, just know that you are either his side chick or he's using drugs on you. Let that sink into your head.
Yeah. Say, me oye na penana. Me boy chiri kakra. Na bisa wife is into you know. Ne kra ne say. And also how be any one am so okay ni.
I wouldn't wife na video no. And I was the kra.
Na bisa say no ne kra ne say. No say na am so say on judge na.
O ya sama wo kan. Say ne kra bi wo mu a.
No so baby e dana ye.
O mita no woni o.
So me dey na level na ya.
No so na dey mita na ye okay man wa.
E hu hia do. To can say from say arrest my case. It no win there. Me share dem nim say. But the oka no no kra mum dey o kwa me.
And no kra kakra o
no kra wo because you see most of the times when you love someone so much na say
when you love someone
oni pa ko no e di odo aya na you don't care about say me pim na cho you see that thing I don't know say I mean she's all yours near there and you guys are relaxing.
I'm going to say me money be brain no say oba home matches or relaxing my home matches no.
I mean can you that is why you should be
papa you go ku no go for there according to sources no or the home matches dey agro no away match ya the weapons so
and yes and the papa you can ya no kure no eti wo oba ko no obeti susu na okono jata okono
Vegetarian.
Okono sa yi ni bi na o. Potim as a kobisto wadre potim. Na che say no. O tinika bi what I say. Unnecessary impression.
As a ukwe onyanya.
Di obutu ogu no. I can say. Oh but I can the normal circumstances anka boko. What to boy say yeah.
Fellow Ghanaian sisters no so ebi e de wagadugu.
Oh, eno de yare.
Eno your mom case we.
And de your mom case. Just so mo yare. Ena na make say wo was a case no. Na on sa ho yare a enya me na odi me be sa ukutu dwuma no. Afina it's a Debbie Aden. Debbie. And then nipa ho odin so. Na kwa kogia na tipa asa adan ya. Oba no wachiri ebi your wandro na ohumbre anim wachiri wagide ho I can say eti ase na akwa ne kan eyampa e ma na eso busu bi be ma be tisu so say ye 30 hours no won see from edu kum
but sa problem ni na me di blame be ma omo to aduro o ka mu no so mo di sika station
kwa me asem we ma ka happen o say ukotietien member bi achi kodi nkrofo bi achi na na we okoni no ko ube kun ho
you go die o ba
ube kun ho ahoden kakra nyame di ama wo so ahoden kakra obetimi aye no
information center bi o ma fiti ahomacho bete be ma dia wan kokora nya wo what no wa etino eti say praise
wa na wasare ele ye some pleasure kakra ya 1 hour sasa me
the college school ko how many hours lecture school ko snap there akobo bra me say dey be no from esi home na ba bia hiafo nkwan ne ton sa ne ma no minim say skafo dey da
be guys are there now munya sa there now we ne
ko be yanko be di birthday and your friend no Nanachi, the CEO of Asada House Motors Aboso kan and he way from the wife, children, family, friends and all workers and I am say Nankopon koso onhira no na onto nkwanemu amfama no.
Amen. And what can I say Madam Mod Tando Shalom Supermarket Tishi Bush Road Rasta ɛno na kyɛ sɛ wɔmfa dwumadi ɛni agorɔ krakrakrakrakrakrakrakra ti Madam Mod yɛtu kyɛ paa de ma wo yɛkyia wo awia yi nyame nka ho na ɛkɔ so a na ɛti dwumadi papa ɔmfa ɛni agorɔ
yɛkɔkɔtɔkɔ former player bi sɛ ɔyɛ kɔmfoɔ na me hwɛ the picture no de ama amfo kan
na yɛ baako yi ada yɛ kan yɛ
wɔsɛ wɔkɔm no awaka no asɛm ha
say Jeko nkai you can show ni picture no but later be deny you say there be nya so person che say kom no won kom ani ade ade a enso ni picture by na enwura bi kata no ho na enwura bi hyehye no ho na ade ade a
you go picture we say be ama dada amanka ho asɛm
tino minim de ntia na ye Hazard junior birthday or Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group no eso eti yeah wishing happy birthday eti happy birthday nkoma Hazard Junior
na fence ye fa
the Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group
all the members of Ofie Kwanso say be ba kwa kan wa no so be microphone nya just say na sare nya ma kwa
eti say no ye Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group
2021
2021 there no almost so there no yeah
akwaku aya election petition ya ohwe bi
me shut down me I am metie on radio because I na me near that just antino metie but me shut down on TV
na yeah across
na ai there be man your call ni or the sample oh doctor electron oh pesa white na I mean say box no ukojira mu a etimi ma yi kakra o because opani electro ipedu ba bi na hwese de na yi ne oflo ne grammar no hwese de na e ba na say eh there be idea de ujeje doctors adria she papa to be that can go jemu pressure obupa me nim say when your case be when your court case be pay ya
da be ko me de me no ya de no ka say me do be ko police station me ma fie kura bi
me de manya ba ko na me tintimi pa amina you turn bass there no eno say e hwa but enye supreme yi no wo sa yi ube say enclave wona na mjia da kan mu pa na ma dimitrim say no say me timi kan de nim say dey say kan pepe say dey God Charlie pressure on betimi dey amount one hwe yi a asem ne blue kra be ka say white serious cause and now timi say doc aishi pa
and you are accident ka tiade na ni ana so anase o say na no han na ni say go tie ka
oh yes akwana ni susu
then akasana san ko retire I think go retire ba kuna wan ko bi think away ko wonyina da kam
hey me ba o say hello please tell Jerry that my baby girl is celebrating her 8th birthday on the same day as Bra Jerry. Oh okay, on the 6th of February. Her name is Rich Love, a 3-year senior. She attends creator schools. Okay. She's in class 3. She worship at PIWC Committee 7. Okay. So happy birthday in advance and come on the 6th of February your birthday. Glad to share the day with you. You do an ambition right now, right? Bibia be fine. Okay. Young twas on koye nim na.
You go the video or the picture not all.
Or at all.
Kwa picture na down no. Abontin mo ko Facebook na mo ko. Papa bi so se da bia we am se mo ko Facebook. Oni obi an hold data.
Media me catch rom say.
What catch rom na yakoso.
Wa wo access to Facebook. But
media church twemfo ni mo.
Media sana me no. Me wi am catch rom say wo uni access to Facebook no.
Papa bi complain.
Me ba be gbowura wadwim. Na ma explain bibia kire na wate ase nti me wi no. Net said they won't watch video ni bi pepepe what I say
no friend me say oba de mama nyama wie ga me say eh Ghana de me nche papa ona me say we wie mo to owie mo wie ya na me say the person chere say oh yere ke why your Facebook get ko no buy your face hey Game of Yamo, Kakusa Grania. Game of Yamo no Banye. Oh, ya Jemme.
Game of Yamo
Banye, no, ya Jemme.
Yeah, in there.
Your Facebook no.
Oh, okay.
That's an only
Game of Yamo Banye, ya please.
Game of Yamo ne data.
Okay. Okay, eti mo muni access to Facebook no. Membonra my dream na me mam vivid description. More access na dem more nkwohwe mmeti ase. Now there is a jeans trouser here mad there. Na jeans trouser no ya raw ama echi na adane inside out. Sa no boni beka no. Unse man dey na tight omti enye likely so obetimi arrow no pepepe outside na eti otwe na obewie na animu na adane. Now we dey oroy jeans no together with sabe ne dress ye no ne pants. Eti pants ne jeans ni nyina no inside out no ene da ho. And a caption e dey ama picture ne say when she removes the jeans together with the pants at the same time, just like you see in the picture. Any mayday unza mayday so there unya tepe this is a problem or say a balance up remember to wear a condom, not just advisor or the abano. So we know I say straightforward. It's just a anything.
Or you be cramped for you first one. And you win.
I just said no or tie run in terms of
that's what the news and ever show and that's what the good no because some or you fast oh go be yourself so what cause hey was so cross in the jeans you know
draws here that way so the nyare check akra we dey so nie
where balu
e man find about we dey
different types
oh that ain't that's me wait na say we dey
where balloon at
any
yes already na bomu sa no a esa ofa ho adwin tan say ono I ready esen that is very very dangerous.
Okay
kwaku na satawale so is there to kwankwan o
mo wan nkobi
is there
happy birthday and lawyer Nana Bediako, national communications team member of the MPP Nyame Onko. Then a happy birthday also going out to my brother Umaru Sanda of City FM. Umaru Sanda. Happy.
Umaru Sanda. And also
birthday to you. Yeah, and also despite birthday. Yeah.
I mean, share birthday party. Now, Bannon party, you're my here for Guanesca Fosco.
What's it?
Bannon party, you're my here for Guanesca Fosco.
It's got phone the account.
Party the cause. We want to say, Saki appear. Saki, we need to more. Saki,
Omo party. I'm missing my birthday party. Me, my cousin.
Scanner was sky said that's party. Okay. We were one fee. And any part of whom here I can't want to suffer. I don't want to do money. No more say support. Oh,
and then the cast in the Jamana and a coffee fan crowd on the band goes. Me Rose Rice ne you baby the honor one nams D1 D3 D then I'm saying
uniska say emo eme gwaku entino manem koso o part de manem koso krokrowa yen ya na beba ya ba ise no smart
one wan
yen ho yen
ah wo ba be say ho
me na say ho
oh there be
me ba fufu ni aponchi na
okay
nyame adom wo ye dikin ti yen sebo akoho
kwabna agree electrical shop wo Kumasi KJT na dan de nyina no se otie Ofie Kwanso dwumadi ni na irrigated empa no Kumasi no wo KJT na won fa dwumadi eni agro kra what I say nti enchia no kwabna agree chia pa electrical shop wo Kumasi KJT na fe enchia so nkoma ohema frempoma wonso wo KJT market wa echia muina
kwaku like listen say am for last time anu
na o manage
obey coach
hwe
I don't know. My other man only was someone.
Na mind back you crowd the kosi se. Ase ben o kan boko za no. Onya botre.
Sa. I just hold the home better the ebema and I can say.
Ah, masa.
Na onye player kitwa o.
Onya botre. Onya botre.
Onye black players ni ana.
Ah. Onya botre.
Onye ni. There is this man be on also my friend also for say Odifo Ajaguraja watching him.
Why?
Ajaguraja.
Otode.
Yeah. Where the blog. Go club and say what happened. So no not so your friend chop bar church. The chop bomb the one nam you can't miss me ko but na tade na yemu. And not just ko won taduane na ntwem no maku no mabon kwan. Oh I have to say, no, they're about your graduate.
Simony.
So for now, or yet Facebook Live, now, we can't send for Ubedi Brock.
Oh, not at our blog. Ubedi Block. Happy birthday, and comma Messi Otu, or a Utu Breku. May God bless you. We a messenger attached na efi in-law Kufieji of Adom FM Kufieji say over the weekend no why na sen kam ko gina but Tuesday weekend is na me wa Ashanti region tino
oware weekend
mentimi an ko gina
oware we ya pena na to oware ni
wakoware kama
pa say party ni atwam ni ntwa oware mu fa sa asem no enche Ghana for
and say na me catch you say even cry no this is the time I'm more for bit me take advantage aye low budget wedding but because we unkukru ni kakra
what about we those who have money to spend
no money to spend cry say we fire the for free
Davi
oh massa
cause you can top road
oh jaisa
look cause you goalkeeper Ebendida na Tibiama Accra House of Folk for say I regret being a former player of House of Folk now
I regret
being a former player of House of Folk
wow
kwa kuna sebi nyana say oja house ne bono house for nse dan twom ni mehwe no players o mutie bi say house for players mo fa gated any agro mutie sa semi na mo nse nso boy ya mo boni say si ye tua mo ka anya players nko radio presenters musicians mo nyina mo ka ho sebi ka fra che ye ti hai si akwa ho midie mu a we are not expecting say cause the twum no sorry no pa ahodo no ya ni ya ma ye ni I did a tear pa. I compare Sanka or Bog or Tokokra, Kofo said tends to be better.
Oh my goodness.
My records, Kotoko former players, a bit on your conforno. At the Bendida, just answer on the so. See a friend radio, so no money here car, whom I has a folk and Tono. Former player, Kwaku. Wouldn't former Adom FM workers, they would be a bit over.
I'm going to be now, Brucci.
Ebimu kroso edokoko obi susu kwa ya
Adom FM we ka ben e odokoko
odo ba we ka kire o
odokoko a oye any oye great cocoa farmer
na they help an saying well I say as I talk if I were a Kotoko fan by now I would have been help now can say o say team the players na gusu bono ebi kura ketua akam ono ni ja onda so jira park so a mo I go down Gracie at the prepra no. If you get your crap, no. I say sincerely, I am not expected to compare the aforementioned clubs due to their rivalry, but I have no option because they are the only two biggest clubs.
Kwame Sumna, a special day, ma Ubri a boy wife na. Mention kakra. Mrs. Fenton from an birthday. Dino, happy birthday. And come on, Mrs. Grace. Ubri yabwa Fenton from. Quite more than Udimi and Zen Nadia told by Jesus. I said, they said you are need it. I bet the mind as a Fenton from Yanadia. FENTEM What I say? The not just all can. Phantom frame. What I say? No. Now, or the message be actually kakra. Or say you deserve the very best out of life because you are the very best thing that has ever happened to me.
Profu when you bring a boy na jo.
Bring a boy edi odo.
So nipa odobo wa kwa mo bro.
Edi odo. Ubri edi odo. Serious pa. February mu ne won wate. E odo nko a. No I don't know. And then happy 70th birthday Yankoma Alberta Adoko Goleku. We a few siblings, nephews, and nieces, and grannies. And the message here says, "We love you to the max. May God bless you and give you more years. Enjoy your new age." 70 years you.
What is 70 years?
Yes. Akobi.
I said the Yankopon de Maya no kuram. They said the other boy na extra time.
Bobo extra time.
Akobi nim say you pay for pa. Ma me bi ahwe hu say dia na de ye wo ma no. Twa na ye twa enti aye asa.
Edua e de wo fufu no.
Yeah, who say you special dey dua pe na de wo ma.
Sir.
Yeah, there's a special aye de ye wo ma.
Na omunua fofore.
Oh, dabi. So dua no say it grows in the wild. Wo ma dua no.
Masa, edua be na yentimi nua.
Abeche.
And so what? Enti 50 years ago, if they had planted some, and can they get
Kwaku Ghana for one phone apart from
ye ni suban, ye beto ade a ye nwe nchima ho. That is it. Let's just face this fact. Eh ade a ye dwe nchima ho a. These things wouldn't be happening.
Eti ba me we dey were permanent pistol. The pistol.
Or the ade na
yeah, and anya that there so they are frafra. Dia no sha no sa. Do when the person when don't twene I think say when na na dia e change no so what I say and why permanent person la what you say
it is still not permanent. I don't know who ya ubetwa sa tie.
I know you don't need the whole person.
Oh no
unya ba ko pe betuma ye bebre se binya tensen ba ko a
so betwa tie sa manasa
na make us say tensen ye twa tie a but when the why in such a way say permanent unya de ne sha no say
debut bakuna ye twa tie no a wo say to twene ye to twene o ye twa tie a wo betwa akopem say be short
no we so there
da we so there me ba we so 5 we utwa ano kakra ne tie na utwa na ye na utwa e besa do sa akoto ma fofo san de be she
another wo ma ten ba bi okita ni na nsɛ what I say o scientist no
e ho no de nka wo ma no ho se mate ase e ho no nka ho na mu ma no na e ho no e san e den a obetwa no asan atai foforo
ana make say no no say
edia no san obesa akoto ma foforo the same
ade mo tenten ba ko sa betimi de dia ne mako 10
that one I understand but it still doesn't solve the problem e den a ebetwa tai sa make say why no permanent say ano na enye hwe na ne ode be fufuo no sa for yes but say the dey say still
anra na ayi wo ya pa o ba fo boni wo na yampa
oh yampa
ana so mo say ayi ya bia o ayi kogu aba asada hadwe okrum apa o na me de mentiase ana eku enketwa ni bi na yente
oh it is they are dying
eku normal people
set you once they are not popular you might think say hey I mean so when they mention crass say oh ya boabin why so I say but prominent figures no there so unim say the whole guy accounts papa is okuna hand that's why
kitchen steward master unya akwanya hwe na yini bi on social media
why then
you go see no
Debbie
oh man for kita kitchen steward bi na just
and on the cock kind actually
oh your legend pa me hu we know social media now hwa very very interesting kromo no o ma kromo wo hye pa over the weekend na papa no kwase on share dan yin sa bia o ana kitchen studio ho atete an no de koyi
bia it could be jo me fancy na say me hwe kura say ebre no kura aduane ye gyan enti betboro edino no de onya no eti Ghana for say hwan for bet na besin koni na no eye mo fancy wa say de ekro no betboro
the odds papa wom
betboro
also the doors
yes office no doors betboro no
udi yensa no
we any the new sports betting arena actually a live betting for all sporting events casino games I would want are there from around the world betboro Ghana na emma wakwanya no utiminya best odds any office na no asa boaw amwatimi secure win is before the final whistle what I say na cash out options no etemusa Betboro Ghana and also amount up to 400 cedis in free bets. 400 cedis in free bets. And also no udin so on sabe count cash. So visit betboro.com.gh/promotions today for more amazing offers. Nina Beodia. Sports is our passion. Betting is our sport. Oh sha na wabomodia a bet no responsibly. Undi 18 years a pacho onka. Royal drinks or see you go like ham. Emuye ni more de. And they Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, and a free Royal Cocktail, and so account. And one so amounts account there. Now I shall say to be news and pa drinks you more de. Come pa. It shall pure refreshment. Papa B ama also on what is you also. Available in available in a shop near you for just 2 cedis 50 pesos. We are another quality product if you casa precon. Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Open the door for 0262 351 251 of 0272 133 373. As they do encore Emma Nokia, or the Android smartphones abedraso, and is doing so well. Just a month for dear need dance here. Your Nokia 1.3, Nokia 2.4, 2.4, only 32 gig, only 64 gig, and so on. Nina no Bodjuma ye pa man more megapixel, Sebe Albania, beautiful pictures, any videos, come pa. Na or long lasting batteries and so said the unim dadano. And now it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other apps no perfectly well. On second there when you bedroom ye pa. And phone shops out in them across the country. Do pa no. Na odi obu remo doko traffic light wa odi also hwe Mrs. Obin Georgia phones obe sort out come pa Nokia it just keeps getting better. Afetie and they Go TV value campaign no and I can wa asem achewi Go TV our fantastic offer at the mount free Saturday akopim the 31st of March 2021 unim say all the money you spend staying out late with the boys ebetimi amount up to 720 hours of unending entertainment with your family for a month. You do it up with the marshal soon coffee na boys ya transfer ye crack bottles kakra and you crank bottles crack bottles kakra more pie bottles kakra na ade saa de ni na o keka bomu a ebetimi amount 720 hours of unending entertainment with your family for a whole month. Yes, mouth watering, cool drama, Papa B. I feel rock GHE say Dragueni. Nah, Africa Magic, spicy, hot telenovelas, fresh from Star Live, and I feel international series near the idea no. Say Dragueni. It's identity and I need Wosesika. Sports channels outdoor. Ya ye dradi gumumawo. Non-stop action. Papa B. Blockbuster movies near there. Now I'm afraid kiddie shows near there. For the little ones need now so dragu. So now that you prefer any other na won't choose Go TV Max. You fantastic entertainment. More affordable than you think. Mount Sanka Go TV Max for a discounted price of 60 cedis. Not when you're entertainment that lasts longer. Obetimi are connected via my Go TV app. Pay by the point and now say agent BR or Ben War. Now send the SMS to 1731. Now I sort you out. Go TV. Love it. You don't want to say so almost when I say my day I get sports. Bro, na yɛbɛ mɛ muso na fi by the nyom kakra pimpia na yɛde fila enso awo no na kyɛ sɛ yɛno yɛnyɛ yes ana na yɛ ma muso akwa no na
have a covid
afida kase bono so ato aso na bibia so atimi aye kama say good evening, Jerry. I want to thank God for adding another year to my lovely daughter's years. That's Godiva. Godiva. Yeah, Godiva is 12 years old today. Lots of love from mommy and then little sister Fidelia to Godiva or the fee Watford in the UK and a buy and na Godiva, may God bless you. Enjoy your birthday. Na bibia so enko ye ama. Usutie 106.3 FM. A short one, and then when we come back, I enjoy Nyum Kakra before you fella abro.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
You be Go TV Lite, Value or Plus subscriber? Time it rule. So be unlock it to me. I want with TV no more. Upgrade the Go TV Max in the year. Nanyano at a discounted price, 60 Ghana CDC pay. You will enjoy over 50 local and international channels for less. No dollar cra. Local series, telenovelas, blockbusters, sports, any kids channels for baby. Make you stay connected via my Go TV app and any pay-by agent near you. Now enjoy maximum entertainment with Go TV Max for less. Offer day from 14th January to 31st March 2021. T&C supply. Go TV. Love it.
Nokia smartphones are banana. Obia guso kanwasem. Nokia new Android smartphones email more megapixels, more memory, and more pictures. Ni videos pop baby. Phones here fast. So browsing. Woko Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I will streaming video. Umi aswa nedem. Nokia batteries here. We are singing a D1 dance you. What charge ya? A Giraso and is a Giraso. Share when you budget new Nokia Android smartphones in Opa. Execute Nokia 3.4 with 64 gig memory. And now Nokia 2.4. They want 32 gig memory. And now 64 gig memory. Nokia 2.4 with 30 megapixel back camera. Then 5 megapixel front camera. And with 4,500 milliamp battery. 6.5 inch screen. And with Android 10. What to be upgraded called Android 11. To Nokia phone here. With full show BI bell.
Hey, me network imba fiame. I was send me the mobile money. See me with our keska. Charges some 380 cedis.
We send this can kwa charges no. Wait there some $10 so. Me ati. So we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre.
Vodafone cash. Say me network need there.
Tie. We send this ka was our network no so no. Yet we send this ka free with network no so akwa network foforo no. Eno so yet na mum tie asem dead pa. We send this ka with Vodafone cash so a free. We send this ka free Vodafone cash. I got network bia so eno so ye free. Masa into work catch them. What so ye then was our network no so. Move bra Vodafone cash say.
Hey, masa make shape not to ball am sisi a.
I know say there. We send this ka with Vodafone cash so I got network bia so a free. Send this ka do bia and prend do bia got network bia so free. Dial *110# say in send this ka.
The future is exciting. Ready?
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling you deep.
Ghana nyina hade ne boss.
Ofie Kwanso.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3.
Crocromio.
Nana Equia Deborah or Switzerland. To say, PBR be fine. Oh yeah. And special good evening going out to you, my good friend Sydney Ofesa. Joe PBR Boko there. 2021 Imieshia Kakrawa. Bossu, why they do your boys so? Say what? Hey. And a happy birthday going out to Mrs. Eunice Archery in Kroma of a Croupon Salem. And a blessed marriage anniversary also to your parents, Mr. and Mrs. Donyo. More glorious years ahead for all of you. And this one's coming from Mr. Abraham Archery in the UK. And special shout outs also going out to Teddy and Sheila. Travelers from Akumasi. Okay. Yamamu akwa bye. Joe Royal drinks there. Oh, say what you can't think Canada no. Joe Muye. You go like him, yeah. Your Royal Apple. Sounds so anywhere, yeah. Royal Cola, Royal Orange, Royal Cocktail, and so eka home. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal drinks in so many flavors. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cities, 50 pesos. We are another quality product, Efikasa Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Royal drinks, you go like her. For bulk purchase for 0262 351 251 and our phase 0272 133 373. Into this one from the man Dada Kwekudia. Dada KD they call him. Oh, Mira. Oh. Kissy me. Turbo, send your own panel, come in your mouth. Oh, Mimi, Turbo, send your own panel, come in your mouth. Hey, got some baby to myself. Miami home, you want to swap? Hey, one fashion, that's a photo. KDA, men penisa, also the yes, hey, no cool, I don't pass, and you bring, no cool, I don't go to it, and you bring, I feel no man, dear me, I feel no yeah, I feel no man, dear son.
Yep, mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2.
Sister Sandy be a guy.
Yeah, when you just say, yeah, no boys, say what you mean.
Oh, Jai, man.
Say, yes, what you now say will be better me comment. I said, but Nami, you and I'm always nice.
No, say.
And if you're nature, mamma, I mean, bookie shoes, man. Before me, fear, I just say.
Oh, there be. Guest in a big done.
Come and watch our sessions of love 14th.
Now, ever basso.
There be a very virtual.
Of men virtual. Charlie.
Yeah, more cry or more, Muko Buki, funeral grounds.
Oh, Charlie.
Come and somebody near.
More for Tresca for events. And I tell for Susano.
But Obi and Uncle Ponce is a way booking me sure and Chiamica.
Kaskanaka.
Akashi. Keskana because system ni M1 ye trouble one as can see your trouble come. It's why I'm looking me try down yami Kasikana ashe drobe say bra Eddie
easy easy
because side gigs ningi na mem
easy
I didn't know so particular no kwa so de em fa sa particular no kwa de em fa and chen na de no say na twam kwa da jolo fa na ho ya emu de he
we Sydney on there actually some should have been introduction ma na just say
nyum tuni
David
obi this Sydney ono so he location
oh yeah you pa we can have some watch ro
asem na dia na asem ni nunu wa so kwa u se minima asem kwa u smede masre alo
yeah I kwa
Brian number say kan enyom ho asem kakra
yen kan nyom ho asem
enye de bia ne ba be di omo hu nse cruise kada wo ye de ye na ne epia omo kakra
yen kan nyom ho asem
eti me ba ya so de nyom e share masidi na keche good mood omo si video no omo ba drop it
oh okay
e de amaye na menya akwanya na hwe kakra wenya akwanya na hwe kakra oh enye onua metiaso
wedi manim
metiaso metimaji pizza boss metiaso omu chemu a good mood video neighbor as a basketball b-ball court kakra as a Jesse kakra family wo you won share Jesse o say na wa share you know big no aboboja oni mo bro wasa no diwe
huru no za
family so ye kan wetin say wa share sia o ye brand ne say mini bi no till now family person just wonya bi hey family
obinya
wanya no so san kakra wanya wahu but ebia na ono so ne brand no se na ebia hu ne mobile tie nyom na ba family wanya bi wunnim na atonyom ka se me ohia ni mi ni bi bedu na posa me posa mi asa ko studio nti no kache any family good mood no video no
are you ready
Ghana for enche be ma mo hu
okay
na o hwe se na no darling video ne ko ya I was so say if you catch mo ho dia na edop ani ne tepan ye
this time I'm so munyi
dey da bi o o say pandemic no mo mam part 2 eno ho video no mo dey brave no nti no I can't wait because kakra na many boss no a good mood ampa nti yen hwese ne ebeko
okay
na kwame you general ne birthday no so dey foforo bi bae amen wati
kakra
guy no have video no
me share video no
and no see time video no the feature ye nua ba dore na view omo share ye media for ne ho efe nti na wo say obefem nti dore na view e wo agro ni mu it kwame Eugene amen no so storyline no I mean the guy is creative so what else you expect I mean you dope
I've said it already say I mean he's good.
Why niska? Jabi be gwe jume you.
Why Debbie. I tell it as it is.
You sell the tail. You have to sell the tail. Because also you sell you tell.
I hear na major kwa me using.
You tell what talker there be that.
And from what talker? Me son adwuma wa bre no wanya nti mo man enjoy. Mo man enchile. Oh, me I just
ya ko to vitamin C anom grog. Say yes pandemic as you. Na your bottom is pandemic. It's no can be so. Why on the real the guy is so talented.
I was just being real. I mean,
on the real
he's good.
So talented.
He's good and we have to feel that
on the side I grow but on the real or you're one of Ghana good year what say you so
yeah I mean
because we heard and you're more really easy and right
I mean you know what I mean
man forget
it's good
forget it now Sefa so at the back could be about what feature Gamido boy no boy odo you what's in the matter Sefa
na me say I am man for cat woman okay yeah instead of the woman
the mini how who me
one who's a way. We have
a boy, not say sabotage.
Oh, yeah.
Now, maybe I was my volume. I never bought you who I don't know. Charlie.
Well, I'm there.
I mean, if I grew, I'm black. Now, no, not also say you pay attention. Yeah, then I'm saying, Mammy, thank I wish you my young back to back. Nanka, no for no horror kakra. kebi anyom ne yebebo oh you know for who me radio so enye yi say who you to ho dan Instagram Jerry me ba betimi aka say Siri
baby
play Sefaton ain't possible
no
I get na born you me be your story I get the bia number rom ho trend you nti mo sesa format no
that's true
because etwam sa format ro ho je trend no etwam ye be ma mo sa attention be nei wa bonyom
okay
wa nei gamido masanyom ne title ye away girl on a side aroro no or no so voice
okay
okra some nice voice bia se fa on the live band and tight what girl we yeah classmate no
yeah voice pa
hey me dey call matters girl no fi school na ono so ni papa kwa me hu say asa ya da on so because of international shows the seriala what me for international you know ball live band name sa ade no o nua bi ono so de kankam say another sick so jina guitar no so na o de mawa oh but ye bie corona oh ye bie corona ye bebo show and Kofi Mole and so the back aba pulele when him say what aposia mana so e da so ne pulele fa wo so beje go fe mi ni abe me se bi nkwasi yanyu si we are we there's a voice na band there hey and o dey nan say boys na yet enyom no fa nko dey yan say bit na dey
enam kwamu so no mo dey twifam za
ba akwabo ne papa ye niema bia ehu but on Ghana shada man sa
fada en san collabo
no say so mo de ba ku bia ba face to
face na say eno so omo aye no omo asai aye no so remix eno so e kama pa
pem abody mi
na aya de mi feel ye omo vibe na omo nya ese omo ya na omo kasa omo ka no
ain't no and also so air pape me kan na no onko ye free download da mesra ko streaming
yeah
kona ko streaming mo audio mac zoom boom play you when you SoundCloud YouTube na o streaming na mo so enya kaka na artist no mo aso munya na mafaha wa because me promote ko bo show me your manager me ka but me any say no so je anya odu multimedia nim ha top taste one plate then my son na me kolo me promote top taste I dey me bodam ana
wa ma hwe no ma na no ade
me bodam na me tie pizza mo ma me die bi ni top taste me tie sponsor e bi ni top taste obeche me pakura mani no cry sen
ye me na ya
e kroma so 2 minutes bia beef ucham 2 minutes bia beef wasene but ma ka sa fie ma mo necessary trend ne hype no beef no e twem kokomlem me no ka say e do ya traffic light
okay
it me am pie
all right
what it but
all right
o shirt na fe
me dasi
shirt na fe
e fa mi sie ya
there be Jerry so shirt na fe
me dasi
o so wo tuntum enti no o share yellow a bright ama abodju ne craft no ho neat
me dasi
watch now so cry a guy
asembe
check that ko no 2 minutes via hype wasene
hey yeah ble yeah fast that can say my proud sponsor my boy my de fella bro Vodafone
so Christopher
or say they use Vodafone cash now they send this camo bia or Vodafone cash way free and Josh sounds now use Vodafone cash now they send this camo bia or any other network bia so no so you free ultra for charges bia e tell na waste this car for other networks no so now you charges be bre no crowd bet me dey add for make sure so be buy